So it did actually work for me to wash my clothes in the rain. I just stuck them outside on a deck where they got rained on, and maybe it didn't work by your standards. I don't know what I don't know what standards I'm supposed to follow, but I'm wearing the clothes right now. Look, this shirt is cleaner than it was because it had sweat and gook on it, and it was gross. And I'm wearing shorts right now that were washed in the rain, and so now I'm thinking well, during part of the year when there's a surplus of water, like a huge surplus, then we could wash blankets and we could wash things that cost more to wash, and the rain could just go over them, and then we could also put them into places that super dry them, because super drying them will also kill off organisms that are in them. And so there's a whole different way of doing laundry that is possible. And this is the kind of thing I'm trying to think about, is how can we do better with energy resources than we do now? And laundry is a big one. Like, we want to think we're clean, right? And I don't think that's as important as we think it is. I really don't. But, you know, we could do better with the resources we got, with what we got, and we want to, get the goals and stuff like that. So, so it's worked, even though I'm doing the wrong things. The things you think are stupid are working pretty good. We'll see. And I'm open to suggestions on how to improve it. For example, I think that if you're going to soak your laundry in a rain filled place when there's extra rain, then you can also move it into a place where there's a super dehydrator that dehydrates the hell out of it and kills off anything that exists in it. We can combine these forces, these physics forces, biological forces, to give us what we want, right? Get smart. Let's get smart.